it's nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today I'm in holiday, guys. I'm in Puglia, I'm in my mom's house. I always gonna make a little video. This is typical from where I am in Puglia, is close to Taranto, and we're going to make a scamorzini in the oven, called scamorzini just in the oven. We need it's a cheese. It's kind of cheese. It's smoked or plain. This one is smoked. You can buy any scamorza anywhere in the supermarket, cut like this, and we're gonna wrap this in the Parma ham or cook ham. It's very easy, typical from this side here. Look, I show you. You know, take a piece of the cook ham and just wrap it. You know, a tray you put inside. You know, and you do another one. You see, like that, without any. You're not gonna be precise. You know, this is gonna be in the oven 200 degrees around 10 minutes. The time melt little bit the cheese. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna be more precise later. And this example I do with cook ham. Just wrap it. Oh, these guys, they're so simple, but they're delicious. You can eat just like that with some salad, with in sandwiches. After this, we will have lunch. We're going on the beach, and we can have that just like that. It's absolutely delicious. Always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Guys, I want to let you know another thing. I know UK, the weather, the temperature is okay. We are 42 degrees here. It's hot, okay?
So hot.
It's so hot, no? Anyway, guys, we're gonna make all my scamorzini, and I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay? It will be basically gonna be in the oven around 10 minutes, 12 minutes. It's done. Okay, see you later. Okay, guys, my scamorzini, they're ready to the oven. You know, the scenery is different from the kitchen with my mom.
Very nice.
Ah, thank you, Ricuccio. And now I'm going to put this, guys,
In the oven?
in the oven, 200 degrees, around 10 minutes, 12 minutes. I'm gonna be more precise later. See you when they're ready. Okay, guys, the my scamorzini, they're ready. The smell is absolutely super. You know, they're gonna be like that. They're gonna melt completely. And the time was 200 degrees. I did this 8 minutes, okay? And now, what we gonna? This one you can take like this.
You need to try it.
Yeah, or you can put in the. I told you some sandwiches, or you can have some salad. You can have some vegetable clothes. It's quite nice and tasty, you know, because this is scamorza. It's not melt completely, you know? Oh yeah. It's absolutely super, you know? And
I didn't try
No.
it, but
it's delicious. Absolutely super. Guys, what I want to say, from Puglia, from my mom's kitchen in Massafra, the scamorzini al forno is this, always.
if you like, finger up and
Follow
follow us.
us always.
Ciao.
Ciao. We go on the beach. Ciao.
Ciao.